The human skeletal system. Have you ever touched your arm? Touch it. What do you feel? Do you feel a hard substance in it? Yes, our body is made up of a very hard substance called the bones. You are able to stand, move, just because of these bones. Imagine yourself without bones. Is it possible to stand without these bones? No, never. The bones in your body make up a framework called skeleton. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. While a child has many more bones, but as the child grows into an adult, many of the bones fuse together. Bones help us in locomotion. Functions of the skeleton. Besides helping in movements, the skeleton performs the following functions. It provides shape to the body. It provides a framework which supports the body and keeps it upright. It also protects the delicate internal organs like the heart, stomach, and liver. The inside of bones contains a soft substance called the bone marrow. Blood cells are made in the bone marrow.